galaxy waves, all the way to time and space, we gon' stay. Land mission surfing right, we stay hard. So what we got it, what's over?
And once again, we are Novella!
Jason on the lead, pump up the drum. Vocals, my name is Cedric, and we
are Novella! Maraming salamat po. Please follow us on our Instagram, Novella with a B, DXB. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Well, once again, that was T24.
Yes, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Hindi pa tapos ang laban.
That's right, Elton, no? And I'm sure na nahihirapan yung mga judges natin. All Jays yung judges natin.
Sir, nahihirapan kayo? Hirap na hirap? Sobra, no?
Deserve. No, deserve kasi yung mga banda natin, Elton, na pinaghandaan talaga nila. Sobrang galing nilang lahat so far.
Totoo yan, partner.
And Elton, narinig ko kanina na one of the judges...
Voucher ngayon na naka-flash sa ating screen, dito sa gitna, meron dito sa aking right, at meron din sa likod.
And all they have to do is present that photo dun po sa store ng Sadik Music Center, which is located dito sa Fish Roundabout, just around the corner.
Correct. Kaya sa music enthusiasts, music lovers, naghahanap ng mga music instrument, ito na yung pupuntahan nyo, Sadik Music Center.
Lang kayo nang kumakain ako ng Lotus Rice. Meron kayong special prize. Now!
Takbo na ang gustong sumigaw!
Ito si ate, mabilis.
We need more contenders. Kailangan pa ng mas marami. Kasi yung pinakamalakas na sigaw, siya yung mananalo ng special prize. Unahin na natin si ate. All you need to say is, kumakain ako ng Lotus Rice. Go!
Kumakain kami ng Lotus Rice! Kek, kek, ah!
Ay, iba!
Pa-sex bomb.
Sino nga hamon dyan?
Meron palang special guest natin, sex bomb. Meron bang hahamon? Otherwise, direct?
DSF Alriga Night Market!
We have a special prize! Mag-ihay! Kami ate!
May hahamon. Ayan!
Hindi ko sinabing hindi kayo nanalo. Dito lang po tayo.
Meron pa bang hahamon?
Wala na hahamon?
Punta tayo dito sa harap kung gusto nyong hamunin tong mga get out dito.
Come on!
Mananalo kayo from Lotus Rice.
A very special prize. I think that's it.
Wala na bang hamon?
Contender.
Going once?
Going twice. And it has been decided we have a winner. Congratulations. Diyan lang kayo. I'll get your prizes.
O, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo.
Mag-uwi kayo ng special bag from Lotus Rice. 5 kilo each. Luto na. Joke lang.
Are we ready? Kung ready na kayo, hold nyo muna yung excitement natin because we're paying respects to our Muslim brothers and sisters. We're gonna go for a short prayer break. Ayan. Once again, this is...
Yes, of course. Sa lahat po ng mga gustong bumili ng mga music instrument, this is your time because Sadik Music Center is giving away 10% off on your purchase. Nandito yung vouchers sa harap natin. Fun and surprises, may pabag. And syempre, take photo kasama ang ating mga nandoon naka-assign.
That's right. So, hindi lang limited dito yung kasiyahan natin because kung ano yung masaya dito, may mas masaya pa doon sa likod. So, visit the booth of Makati and our other partners.
Marami kong hala, sisigaw nyo, bira. Hala! Hala! Yon.
Ay, gusto ko yung ano mo na yan. So, pag sinabi mong hala, they'll say bira. Kung sino yung may pinaka-energetic na bira na makikita namin from stage.
Dito, 5, bilis!
We're gonna give away vouchers.
Yes, oo, grabe. Ayan si Mami.
Oh, merong humamon. Oh,
2, 3, 4. Isa pa. Sino pa? Isa na lang.
Sino pa yung gustong manalo ng vouchers?
Oh.
Ito na.
Ano na? Ngayon yun?
Oy, wala namang kuray mo ginawa. And here is our first song.
First song. La la la.
It's a girl. And I wrote it all by myself.
Too young to really be in love.
Pero marinig ko pati sa kusina.
Mano Shred.
Hello?
Sino natin ngayon nagsasorry? Ilang minuto na lang at sila'y mag-on-away.
Sino ang excited dito makisayaw kay Chief?
Shout out to all the people from 7 states of UAE. Shout out!
And syempre, let's comment lang din yung kanilang parents and kanilang family.
course.
Na todo support talaga sa kanila, di ba?
Yeah,
Hindi
yeah.
yun mangyayari kundi support.
Palakpakan natin, Mayor Abby Pinoy! Wala akong boses. Pasalamatan natin si Mayor Abby Pinoy dahil siyang dahilan kung bakit nandito ako ngayon. Kasama si Sarina.
What's up, Najong people?
Parang malakas yung hiyaw kaysa, yung sa kanya kaysa sa akin. Feeling ko mawawala na ako ng trabaho. Pero of course, ayan. Of course, Mayor Abby, palapakan natin. Alam nyo ba, kung bakit mas naging memorable ang pagiging public service ko dahil sa taong ito? Okay. What's up, all people? Ito niya. Alam nyo, hindi ko alam kung sumali. Sino ko sumali? Galing. Okay, sino ba? Isa pa? Sino ba? Isa pa? O, ikaw. Next. Nako, may pa-premyo to. May pa-premyo. Sino gusto mo na pa-premyo? Si ate yan, nakakamo. Dito. Sino rito? Sino gusto? Sino gusto? Ikaw. Liga. Masaya to, masaya. Kailangan namin siguro ng mga kailangan sa duloy. Sabay-sabay! Is your time. Magpasikat na. It's showtime. Solid showtimer. Okay. Dito na lang tayo.
Dito na lang.
Dito na lang. Oh, sige. Okay.
Uy! Ano yan?
Yun o. May background sa...
Sabi ka
Okay.
nila, wag kang tulakan.
Simple lang gagawin nyo. Okay. Alam nyo ba yung laro ng Hep-Hep-Buddy? Marati! Better! Okay, palakpakan natin. Mayor Robbie Binay! Pedro Macari! Let's go! And of
Sige nga, tumambling ka nga.
Eto.
Sige.
Oh, artista, diba?
JB, man! Oh! Is this yours?
I'd like to call on stage ang owners ng Gucci Nom Nom, ang Gucci Nom Nom team, Miss Dayon and Miss Maha. Hi, good evening.
Sorry ngayon ko lang guys. We'll talk later. Anyway, going back, trabaho.
Miss Hayan and Miss Mom, how are you doing tonight? Are you excited that Kato is here with us? Yes. So why don't you share what is Gucci Nom Nom all about, so all our kababayan who are watching us right now would know and would definitely check out what we have in Gucci Nom Nom.
The long wait is over because we're now about to welcome on stage our special guest, a K-pop idol. Let's give it up for Kato!
Ayan, gusto natin marinig. Lahat kayo, kamusta? Mabuti.
Parang wala energy, mahina, di ba? Kumusta mga kapamilya? Mahina pa rin.
Oo, kasi alam ko, lahat na kayo nag-dinner na dahil
Brighter than before.